Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'd like to talk about ETHENA targets and updates. What's going on now with this token? Technically, guys, everything okay with ENA, and congrats everybody who ride with this uptrend. Now, I think, just my personal opinion, until we not hit the new all-time high, we're still in accumulation zone. Yes, technically it can be the deviation at the bottom. If we use the BitGet leasing price was mostly lowest one, 20 cents. We form the deviation, sweep the leasing low price. This is the accumulation zone, and the best case scenario, guys, if we will see something like this one and going higher. So in this case, it will looks like global, weekly, daily, here, double bottom. So, and the size of that double bottom, of course, could be like, let's say, just an average. Something like this one. So yes, I truly believe, of course, this is not an end of cycle for ENA. I don't think so. Exactly after leasing, we hit the new all-time high on the next day after leasing, on the next week, and that's it. And next 3 years we go into the bear market. I don't think so. If we go to the monthly time frame, we can find out. So here's no gaps, nothing. So no main liquidity pools. Which we can sweep it. Technically, yes, we can drop again to this block, like support, like it was here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 weeks candles. We react at this level like support. Now we can see also the some power from the buyers, right? So globally, I hope, of course, the Trump, stop, post all of that trade wars and all of that stuff, because it's kind of weird how just the tweets from one person affect the market, and I hope at least in April we will see some healthy move, when liquidity will start inflow into altcoins, and we will see the main move, not just because of here, like the people's shilling here, not the people, it was news. So the Trump family accumulated ENA, that everything will be okay with the stable coin on ENA, So I wish to see, this is an indication, accumulation, and a pump model. So you can open the chart of SAY and SUI, for example. SUI especially, stop it here, pump it, but SUI traded here and going higher. After that, of course, collapse like support. But now we're still in accumulation until we're not hitting the new all-time high. And I truly believe we will hit the new all-time high. So monthly time frame here, this is a, I hope this is a gap what we will close in April. So this one. So this is a monthly gap, like a bullish target. And guys, of course, it's just my personal opinion about ENA and just my personal opinion about the altcoin season. I'm not a fan of that super cycle theory. No, I think this is just another cycle, not a super cycle, not the same cycle like previous one, because the people are always stuck in some patterns. So they waiting, so the history should rhyme, the history should repeat itself. Guys, it's just a market, and a lot of things happening in the world since the COVID dump. And we can't compare, for example, even the Zone 21 and Zone 25. We can't compare Zone 17 and Zone 25. It's impossible because now over than 35 million tokens exist. And that cycle, even 2021, there was like, I guess, 3 million tokens, so with the meme tokens included. That's why, guys, no makes sense to compare just the cycles and wait, that charts when the people mark, oh, this is it, like altcoin season in zone 17, this is altcoin zone 21, so we should repeat this cycle, super cycle, just higher in zone 25. It doesn't work like this one, guys. Unfortunately, now the institutional joined this space, joined this industry, and institutional drive the market of these tokens. And I already explained to you, the institutional not waiting the pump from some token from 20 cents to $20 or to $5 or $10. No, they more than okay with you know, some lowest targets because the size of initial deposit is pretty big one. Technically, guys, everything okay for ENA. The support is here. This is also based on this model, still okay zone for accumulation. This one still okay. So if you believe in the ENA, you know, I'm not a fan of ENA because I don't like the you know, the tokens which some familiar, you know, with the stable coins. Everything when I see some token, some stable coin around that token, I don't like that story because some not a bad experience, just my personal experience with USD and Terra Luna, but I understand that stable coins, no matter what, it's USDC, USDT, DAI, it's still not regulated. And when you see, oh, we launched the new stable coin, why people so happy when some project starts using some stablecoin or create a new stablecoin? What's the point? What's the point? So unregulated stablecoin. So you print the dollars, bake it on something, right? But anyway, the decision will be in the United States about the stablecoins law, and it's kind of weird, you know. The stable coins is not the like factor which should drive the token up, right? So let's take a look with my customer reset. What's going on now? Here, this is accumulation. Finally, right, guys, take a look. This is the biggest accumulation ever on ENA. What are we seeing here? Even here, it was a lowest accumulation. Here's a main one. The worst case scenario, of course, we can dump and form the weekly divergence, and the dump on direction on the weekly. But first of all, this is not a distribution. This is not a distribution. Yes, it's like a FRIA, but we can go higher. Daily time frame, guys, still the same. So here, this is a distribution. We dump. This is accumulation, and we can go higher. So I think we will see the main uptrend move. Money power, trade on. No money inflow. Money inflow was here at 65 cents, and no new money inflow. Weekly time frame here. Signal to buy, sell. Take profit, sell. No signal to buy back or so. But this one's still relevant. And I wish to see the money inflow into ENA on a weekly time frame. Like a confirmation. So I guess we will see by end of March, I hope. Maybe not. Nobody knows, guys. So my targets is still relevant. I still wait the new all-time high. You know, when? Nobody knows. We can trade it even though a year, you know, in the accumulation zone. I already explained it. The market makers absolutely don't care about the time. Weekly time frame, no data on take profit. Daily time frame here, we trade it under familiar value. It's 37 cents 61. Take profit line now, it's $1 round number. 12 time frame, we can retest again. The buy line, it's 34 cents 83. From value 25.99. And many charts, guys, looks absolutely identical because we formed the compression. This compression. So sooner or later, with this move, we will bounce on from this current prices. Trade it and going higher. At least we will test this block like 87.93 again. So guys, all targets I showed you, now we are in okay zone for accumulation. Of course, you should be ready for potential this move. We just work with possibilities, guys, for potential this move or this move. So 50% down or 34% down, it's possible. So just be ready. But the targets I showed you. So if based on your plan, now in okay zone to buy based on annotation accumulation pump model, you're ready to accumulate in for a long run, like investment on a spot, not on futures. We talk about a spot. You can accumulate now 43. Next zone, it's 28, 20, 3 orders. And the zone for fixation is here, 87.93, new all-time high. Guys, I hope you like this video. Write please and comment what do you think about ENA now. If you like to trade with my customer request, what I showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button, don't forget your my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.